welcome back to 143 Vinyl. My name is Kate and today we are going to be using the StarCraft Silver 8-in-1 Swing Away Heat Press to make a t-shirt using Siser Glitter HTV. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have our image already cut and weeded out. This image actually came from the one and only crafty.net, which is the official design site of 143 Vinyl. So at the top here we have our sapphire color in the Siser Glitter HTV, and at the bottom we have red in the Siser Glitter HTV. And these are two separate pieces, so we will be doing two separate presses, but we are going to put them together, like kind of stack them on top of each other. So that way we can make sure our placement is going to be exactly where we want. So if you line it up, and then we are going to take the full design and make sure we place it. So you may see that there is already a middle crease here. So this is what we will use as a guide to put in the middle of our design. But we still need about 3 inches from the collar, which is usually about 3 fingers down. And so about here, and our line is about in the middle. But a fun image like this, you could really go sideways if you want, something like that, more like a stamp. But just for the purpose of this video, we will go straight ahead and place it directly in the middle. Let's move it up just a little bit more. And there we go. So now that we have our placement, we are going to remove one of the layers, whatever the topmost layer is, from the design. And we will go ahead and press this on our heat press. Alright guys, once your heat press is turned on for Siser Glitter HTV, we are going to press at 320 degrees. And an individual layer will take the full 20 seconds, but the first layer we are only going to press for about 8 seconds to tack it down. So if you press this settings key here, that will pop up to change your temperature, but we only need to change the amount of time. So press it again and hit the minus key to go to 8 seconds, and then we will turn it back up for the second layer. Alright, so after we swing our heat press all the way back, we are going to use one of the interchangeable mats. Now this one does not have a stickier surface, so it kind of slides a little bit, but that's a-okay. We are going to make this work. So we have our design already stuck to our shirt, and we are going to place it on the mat in the pressing area. And just make sure that your collar is going to be outside of the pressing area, because if you have any collars or seams, this can cause some uneven pressure, and you definitely do not want that when you are making your project. So we're going to flatten this out a little bit just to make sure that no wrinkles get stuck underneath the design. Grab our heat resistant sheet to protect it a little bit from the top plate. And again, this first layer we are only going to press for 8 seconds. All right, this should have tacked this first layer on very nicely. Perfect. Now we are going to take the second color and align that to the design, just how we had it before, and then add the heat resistant sheet again. Now remember, this time we are going to change it to 20 seconds. So press the settings twice, up to 20, and we are good to press for the entire length. All right, now that we have pressed for the entire 20 seconds. It is time to reveal our full design. Look at how beautiful that turned out. It is so glittery and sparkly. I am so excited to wear it on the 4th of July. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I do hope that I have inspired you to create your very own project using Siser Glitter HTV. Again, my name is Kate, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye.